Types of Forex trading accounts. The Forex industry offers multiple account types to suit nearly every trader style, from market makers, ECN accounts, standard lot accounts, and micro accounts to mirror trading accounts, demo accounts, and more. Choosing the right account type for you can help set you up for trading success. Let's review the account types to ensure you can make an informed decision. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe and stay connected with us by like, comment, and share this video. Standard trading account. This is the original type of account in retail Forex. Standard refers to standard lot sizes. The standard lot equals 100,000 currency units, or $10 per pip, if the quote currency is USD. Mini trading account. A mini trading account refers to mini lots. Mini lot equals 10,000 currency units, or $1 per pip, if the quote currency is USD. There are almost no disadvantages to mini accounts. They have become so popular that nearly all brokers offer mini accounts with the same terms as standard accounts. Micro trading account. A micro trading account refers to micro lots. Micro lot equals 1,000 currency units, or 10 cents per pip, if the quote currency is USD. Cent trading account. A cent trading account refers to cent lots. Cent lot equals 100 currency units, or 1 cent, per pip, if the quote currency is USD. Demo trading account. A demo account is a test or practice account that does not use real money. Forex ECN accounts. An ECN account routes orders through the central interbank market. The orders are filled at the best available prices with no dealer intervention. Forex STP accounts. An STP account is a type of no-dealing desk account. Straight-through processing, STP, is a technology that passes trades directly to a counterparty. On the other side of the trade may be another STP broker or an ECN broker. PAM Forex accounts. PAM stands for Percentage Allocation Money Management. It is a form of pooled money in Forex trading. Copy trading accounts. Copy trading accounts allow me to copy trades automatically from someone else into my account. I do not have to intervene manually to execute trades. Forex swap-free account. A swap-free account, or Islamic account, replaces the interest rate swap with a fixed fee. They're designed as Sharia-compliant accounts for Islamic traders for whom giving or receiving interest payments is not permissible. What Forex account should I choose? In choosing a Forex trading account, you should begin by selecting an account size, opting for standard, mini, or micro account. Next, you should determine whether you want an ECN, STP, or market maker account. Your choice will depend on whether you prioritize access to liquidity providers or internally set prices, which result in lower price volatility. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at Financial Markets. Online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.